Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook appetizing Tauchu steamed tomatoes and chicken wings recipe. Hope you like it. This steamed chicken the soup has a sour taste and is very appetizing and goes well with rice. The chicken wings steamed this way are not greasy at all and are very delicious. Let's start cooking. Tauchu steamed tomatoes plus chicken wings. Ingredients: chicken wings, Tauchu paste, tomatoes. Wash and slice tomatoes. Cut chicken wings into 4 parts. Pat dry chicken wings. Seasoning and marinate chicken wings. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Place tomato slices on bottom and chicken wings on top. Steam for approximately 15–20 minutes until chicken is cooked. After steaming, you can insert chopsticks into the chicken. If you can easily insert it, it means it is cooked. Wow, it smells so good! The sour taste is very appetizing, the chicken is tender and juicy, and all the nutrients are retained in the soup. Delicious! Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Fresh tomatoes contain a lot of heart-healthy substances such as potassium, vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, and choline. Studies have proven that increasing potassium intake, combined with reducing sodium intake, can promote our heart health. More specifically, if the method is correct, the potassium and B vitamins provided by tomatoes can reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. Tomatoes contain a lot of antioxidants, more specifically carotenoids such as lycopene. Make this steamed chicken during busy working week. It's easy and delicious. It is easier to marinate and steam the chicken wings if they are divided into 4 portions. I personally quite like eating them this way. The effects of winglets are as follows. 1. Beauty and skincare. A large amount of collagen and elastin are produced, which are very effective for blood vessels, skin, and internal organs. 2. Promote physical development. The wings contain a large amount of vitamin A, far more than green peppers. It is necessary for vision, growth, epithelial tissue and bone development, sperm production, and fetal growth and development. Chicken and mustard greens are incompatible. Chicken should not be eaten with mustard greens, as eating them will seriously damage one's vitality. Plums and chicken are incompatible. A famous medical scientist said, chicken should not be eaten with gourds, garlic, mustard, and plums. Since plums are hot and chicken is a warming tonic, eating the two together will cause a lot of heat. And chicken contains bioactive substances such as hormones and enzymes, which may cause biochemical reactions that are not beneficial to human health. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.